sorry, very sorry, it didn't work. But you can see that bridge over there. Whoa. Cool. Alright. I don't even know where we're gonna go. So guys, it's gonna take a while to go there, and
That was swimming again. What
I
was the experience of your swimming at the Chalan Mill?
it was great actually. I really want to go down there. I really want to go in the water again, but the water in the triangle mill is super deep. I might drown. So I really want to go in the water. So guys, how much longer it's gonna take to go there? How much longer is it gonna take to go there?
It should take about 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay. Well, guys, it's gonna take us 10 minutes. It's pretty long because one minute is 60 seconds. That's pretty long. But 10 minutes, ooh, that is long. And 60 minutes, oh my god, you don't even know how long that is. 60 minutes is 1 hour. 1 hour. That is super long. Oh my god, I can't even imagine how super that is. It's been like how minutes? I think it's been like 4 minutes or so. Oh, yeah, it's 4 minutes. I'm looking at the clock and it says 4 minutes. And this view is just awesome. Look at the sun over there. Wow, this is beautiful. Wow. Hey, why are we slowing down? Whoa, a bush of those plants. Oh my god, I almost, the phone almost fell. So guys, it's been
We are almost
like how minutes? Only 1 minute because it's 5 minutes. Oh, we're almost there. Yee. Wait a second. It didn't take 10 minutes. 10 minutes is way longer. It's only been 3 more minutes. What?
Tama?
Ugh.
Oh.
So guys, we're here.
Kaso
It didn't take pretty long.
Baba.
It only take 5 minutes. It only take 5 minutes to go there. That's not too long. Alright guys, this has been an awesome boat trip again. And so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell. And oh my god, and I'll see you next time in the next awesome video. Whoa!